Seed stitch. Seed stitch is one of my favorites. It's a bunch of short straight stitches made in random directions. Avoid pulling thread too much. If it's too much, you'll see wrinkles. The other extreme is leaving it loose. Make sure it lies on fabric. Choosing random direction might be hard. More stitches you make, less visible the repetition. Other point to keep in mind, threads from the back may be visible through the thin fabric. In my case, you can't see anything. Time for examples. You can use seed stitch to fill shapes, as I did in 21 stitch sampler. Texture looks pretty nice. Seed stitch can be confetti, like in the Party Popper embroidery. Tutorial videos for this project are free. It is Sweaty Stefan Stitch Along, and we will link to it in description. And my favorite texture made from seed stitch, greenery. Place stitches very close to each other to cover all fabric. For Athens embroidery, I used it for the greenery and mountain. Seed stitch as a second layer? Why not? Let's make the greenery texture. Place stitches close, overlap previous ones. The goal is to cover the whole fabric. Sweaty Stefan Party Popper, Big Vienna, Athens and 21 stitch sampler. Links to supplies I used and my patterns are in description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!